These are 3 things you need to know when styling your headphones with your fit. Sonos just launched their newest headphones, the Sonos Ace, and we are loving it. So we're gonna use that as a reference today. Nowadays, everyone has a pair of headphones, and it's so important to have noise cancelling. We want our aware mode while on the streets. Most importantly, we want to look cool while on the go. You want to look nice, you want to feel like a main character in your story. Today, that is what we're gonna talk about. Not just good sound quality, but also how to match your headphones with your aesthetic. Second, colors matter. Third, accessories elevate your outfit. Your headphones, they are an accessory and they make a difference. And I have a few friends to help me with this today, so let's go! First up, calling all the corporate girlies and the finance bros, it's time to romanticize your working life with the Sonos Ace. Add a pop of sophistication to your outfit, and with such sleek colorways, you will never have to worry about colors clashing or your headphones taking away professionalism from your outfit. So with just a click of a button, block out the hustle and bustle of the morning commute with the ANC mode. Swap over to aware mode to say good morning to your colleagues, and you don't have to be that one unapproachable guy in office just because you're lost in your music. You can also pick up calls with ease as well with the technology that suppresses your background noise. Long gone are the days of, sorry, what do you say? Next, to all our streetwear lovers, comfort is key and nothing screams comfort more than shorts and sneakers. So there's 4 different silhouettes you can kind of play with. First, little top, big pants, big top, little pants, little top, little pants, or big top, big pants. And in my opinion, I would go for the most heat-trapping option, which is option 4. So anything for the fit, I guess. Throw on the Sonos Ace to top the entire outfit off. With the plush memory foam and soft vegan leather, the cushion minimizes contact with your ear. It's light, it's comfortable, and snug. What more can someone ask for? Ever heard of the sandwich rule? Basically, all you need to do is to match an element of your top half with an element of your bottom half with something contrasting in the middle. So, literally a sandwich. In this case, the black headphones match the black pants she's wearing, while the white headphones complements the beige pants he's wearing. You get the drift. White and black are super easy colors to match. It goes with anything. Finally, accessories make or break your outfit. Elevate your outfits by adding small things such as caps, necklaces, watches, bags, belts, and the list goes on. You know, that's what differentiates a good and a great outfit. So nowadays, headphones are also considered an accessory. It doubles up as both a necessity for people who cannot travel without music and people who want to add a little something extra to their fit. So go from making your outfit good to great. And that's all we have for you guys today. If you liked it, do give us a thumbs up, or you can comment to tell us what you want to see next. And you can subscribe to us for more content. So, thank you so much. That's all that we have, and we will see you again.